how to log into WorldRemit on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into WorldRemit on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into WorldRemit on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all launch the WorldRemit application from your iPad. Once you launch the WorldRemit app on your iPad, you can go ahead and then give it the permissions that it requires. Now you can also enable notifications, but I'm going to skip it for now. There are many ways to log in. If you actually signed up to your WorldRemit account using your Apple ID, you can directly tap on the first option to log in with Apple, second option to log in with Google. Or if you haven't yet registered an account, you can just tap the register option that you can find in the yellow box here. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you have already created an account, I'm assuming that since we are trying to log in, we will go to the login option here. Now on the first box, you have to make sure to enter the email address that you use to sign up to your Remitly account. So make sure to go ahead and then basically enter your email address here. Once you actually enter your email address here, on the next box you have to make sure to enter the password. If you are not sure what password you typed in, you can tap the eye icon that you can find here to view the password. If you forgot your password, you can tap the forgotten password link here, and you can tap the login option to successfully log in to your account if your account details are correct. This way you will be able to log into WorldRemit on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.